invite up Melody.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming out. Our family is here on behalf of my granddaughter, Nadia Cruz. Isn't she beautiful? There's nothing like the loss of a young person, as many of you here can relate to. February 26, 2018, at 11:48 a.m. is a day we'll never forget. It's been 17 months. However, the pain is so surreal, and our lives have been changed forever. We've lost one of the loves of our lives. Our sorrow is immense. There is no Band-Aid to cover our wounds, no miracle pill to help with our daily pain. Nadia was an amazing daughter to her dad, her mom, his stepmom, sister, her brothers, Jalen and Deshawn, to her little sister, Jalissa. She's truly a loving member to our family. She would do anything for her family. Nadia and I spoke daily on the phone, both in the morning and evening. I knew that morning something was wrong when I hadn't gotten through to her both that morning and the night before. I went to check the emergency room at Signature Healthcare Goddard Hospital. She was not there. I called Good Samaritan. She was not there. Finally, I called the Brockton police. My gut was right. After several calls to the police, I finally received a return call from a sergeant informing me that my beautiful Nadia was found dead. My heart fell to the floor. It will never ever be repaired. Nadia was only 19. She was our somebody. Nadia lived with me a good portion of her life. She was more like my daughter than my granddaughter. Nadia and I had a very special bond. Waiting 6 weeks for the autopsy results was tedious. No matter what the results were, it wouldn't change the pain in our hearts, deep to our souls. I didn't want to believe that the drugs had taken her from us. I thought she had something medically wrong that was not detected. Then I received a call from the medical examiner's office with her cause of death. Nadia went into respiratory failure due to acute fentanyl intoxicity. That is not what she wanted. Just days before, Nadia had said to her dad, "I don't want to be this way." He told her, "Let's get the help you need." Nadia was full of life. She had a contagious smile. She was a people person. Her goal was to be a nurse and be able to help others. She was robbed of that opportunity due to fentanyl. She was too young. She didn't get to truly live her life, the life we knew she wanted. We knew Nadia had a problem. We did everything to attempt to help her. We sectioned her several times to different facilities. As soon as she had the opportunity, she ran away from them. We tried to get her into counseling, into groups. She'd say she'd go, and when the time came, she wouldn't go. Our family's always there for her, not to enable her, but to talk and listen to her and be there for her. We really tried everything to get her the help she needed, even driving for hours for different facilities far away from here, believing if she wasn't around here, she couldn't get to the drugs. Did we lose her because she really wasn't ready for the help? We'll never know. What we do know is that she'll never graduate from college, never get married and have children, never be here physically to hug and kiss, but we will forever be here in our hearts and memories. It's so hard never being an addict, being on the outside looking in and trying to understand, why can't you just quit? Seeing somebody you love destroying themselves and you can't do anything about it. Addiction doesn't only affect the abuser, it takes a huge toll on their loved ones. We try to protect and shield our children from life's elements, but at times you feel helpless. Nadia's passing was one of those times for us. We have such a void in our lives, such a hurt that feels as though it will never go away. At times, I feel like I failed her. Addiction is like a disease. It's a cancer. Nadia's previous to the last overdose, I was in the emergency room with her, and a counselor said to her, Nadia, how many times do you think you can defeat death? Nobody is exempt from this tragic epidemic. No matter what, tell your loved ones you love them daily. Hug and kiss them every opportunity you get. Tomorrow is never promised. My Nadia is an example of that. Nadia is with us daily, in our hearts, our minds. Everything we see, touch, smell, represents her in one way or another. We love our beautiful Nadia, and she will never, ever be forgotten. And if this story can reach or touch at least one person, we feel some form of accomplishment in our sharing our great loss to this vigil. Thank you.